Good evening, everyone. So, my name is Afrojul Sheikh, and today we have organized a group discussion. And today we will speak about some topics that we will choose and we will debate about around this. So, today's topic is about student marks and versus skill. And firstly, I want to say that marks are important for academic purposes. A student moves around classes. He goes from class 1 to higher classes because of marks, because of higher marks. Without higher marks, a student cannot get or achieve great success in life. So I think marks are mostly important for academic purposes, and skills are also important, but not for a student life, which involves marks. And I would like to ask my friend Abhinandan what he thinks about it. Abhinandan?
What you said, I I agree this, and I think that in this time skills are more important than marks because the companies like Microsoft, these companies also want the skilled person, not the marks basis jobs. They want the skilled person. And what do you think about?
So yes, I agree with your statement. From beginning, from class one, a student is always bothered for marks. Every teachers, every parents asks for marks to the students. But when they grew up, the company like Microsoft, you have given the example, the Microsofts and the multi-billionaire companies, they ask for skill. Yes, of course, skill is the most important rather than marks.
So I will add another point that a student reaches the point of success with his good marks. Because if you see, when a student goes for a competitive exam, his marks are most important, not his skill. When he goes to get a job, his skills are required. But the journey from class 1 to higher studies, college, or after graduation, he requires good marks to get a position, a rank, to get in that job. If you don't get a good marks in the competitive exam, how can you get the job? And then the skills are important. I think marks are more important than skills for a student life.
I have a question for you that if you don't have any skills, so how you get your marks?
Well, accordingly, if I say a student learns many things in his academic life, and the academic system, the school education system, has made the students learn so many things which involves theory skills. But I also know that practical skills are important
Yeah.
for a job. But theory skills, they make your knowledge better. They like it's a sword which is shown very much times, and it is made a blade that cuts through everything with the knowledge. If you don't have the knowledge, how will you acquire the practical skill? If you don't know that this is a book, how will you use it? That's my point.
Yeah, you're right. But I think skill is more better because in I saw in YouTube some videos that interview videos. There, the interviewers always get the skills. Always try to watch someone's skill. But somewhere some people always look at the marks, always like higher secondary marks. If he failed in higher secondary, but so he can't get the job.
I would like to say something in this topic. In the present time, many of students are in good degree like MSc, MTech, BTech, MBA, and do not have any skill. And because many private colleges are money and they provide this degree, but they not good study and learn any skill. So there are many problems in this time, And my opinion, skill is more important, but degree are
In India, from the childhood, in schools, every schools, they force students to study the theory and get marks. But from my opinion, it is wrong, because in higher, when they are going for a job interview, they require skills more than the marks. So when the students when they have a mindset in their mind to get marks but not to get the skills, and this is a major problem in our country, and this should be solved by the government, because in today's world our country is developing but not that much. By introducing this, our country will develop much. Like, they can introduce topics such as AI and robotics. This will help this will help the children to get a concept of robotics and AI in their mind, and this will help the country to grow more.
I would like to say something. In our country, students wants to get government job. That's why student do not improve their skill, and they his life they think study is more important. Study is more important.
So I think government job is not the only problem. I think there are many more problems in our education system. The education system was built to make a student knowledgeable, but never acquire skills or to get a job, a better job. And the government always believed that experience will make a student better when he gets a job. But they never thought that how will he get a job when he doesn't have any skill. And a student focuses on education which is made from an old education system that is still followed in this 25th, 22nd century. And I think that is also a big reason that many students fail to get a better job which requires skill, and moreover they focus on government jobs. That's what I think.
Since you told about our education system, so I have a question for our education system, that we learn English for 12 years, 1 to 12, and before class 1, nursery, upper nursery, something, there are also we learn about English. But why we can't speak in English? Why we are not able to speak in English after 12 years? It is the most important question. Our education system always teaches us the theories. They don't give us the practical knowledge. They also always give us the knowledge about our theories books, story books. Always they all told about read this, and after you will take the exam and achieve more marks.
With due respect, I strongly disagree with your statement, because I think the private schools. I am giving examples of private school. In private school, English is a subject, but not only it is a subject, but it is taught. The English is taught with all the subjects like science, mathematics, all are in English. And this helps the students to understand the English more and get a practical knowledge of how they can talk in English in the school life. And this helps them to develop their English speaking schools. I don't know about the public schools because I have studied in the private school, and this is a great advantage of private schools.
Of course, I agree with the point, but I don't think that every student can get the opportunity to go to a private school. A private school gives you the opportunity, better opportunities, and focuses on you more seriously than a government school. But it is only possible because of your family strength and not because of the education that you are getting from a government school. So I think private schools are an opportunity that you get mainly because of the financial condition, and you want to get good education. That's why many students move to private school, that they see that government school do not give them those opportunities that a private school can give with spend of money. And I think government school must apply those and get those opportunities and make the students who learn in government schools. I don't think that everybody can go to a private school, but I think our government should take responsibility and make our students a good opportunity to get in a government school.
Now I am a student. I think at my age I should focus my studies. Now if I learn many skills, I cannot focus on my study. So I should focus my studies.
This conversation was only possible because we wanted to increase our skill of communication. And communication does not happen through alone practice in your home. It happens through discussions with your friends and in front of public. So my friends who are watching us, I will advise you that you must do conversations or discussion with your friends and in front of people who you don't know, in front of strangers. That will make you more confident and will increase your communication skills. And that's it. If you want to watch this type of contents more, I would suggest to follow the channel and subscribe SM Spoken English.